Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create or how to use Facebook avatar sticker. So this is the latest updated features of Facebook that has been updated recently. So I'm gonna teach you how to use and how to create the sticker avatar on your Facebook account. So before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get the more informative videos every day. So guys, first of all, make sure that your Facebook application is updated from Google Play Store. Facebook app, so you have to update your Facebook application from your Google Play Store or App Store. So guys, after this it's very pretty simple. You have to go to your Facebook here, and then this is your Facebook account example. Now what you have to do, you have to simply tap on the 3 days icon on the top right of your screen. And then here guys, you will find here this type of interface. Now what you have to do, you have to just scroll down and then you will find see more option here. So after finding the see more option, click there, and then you will find an option as avatar option here. You can see here, so just simply click on this option, and then here you will find this type of interface. So now they are asking for select your skin tone to get started. So let me just select one of my skin tone here. This is my skin tone, so let me just select. Now they are asking to select the hairstyle here. So what you have to do, let me just select one hairstyle here, this one. Okay, now what you have to do, on the left side you can see hair color. So hair color, let me just select this, and then face shape. So you can just select the face shape here. So let me just go for one simple face shape, that is this one. Now let us go next. Here you can see complexion, so you can go for any complexion like this. So let me just go for this, and it's up to you. Let me go next. Here you can see lens, your eye lens. So let me just go for one of the eye lens here, and then it's done. And we'll go next. You can see here eye shapes. So let me just go for these eye shapes, and then again you can see here color. So let me just go for red color here, and then again we'll go for next. Here you can see makeup. So let me just not do this. You can find many of the editing tutorial here. So let me just take one specs, and then here you can see lots of option you will find here. So outfit, so let me just take one outfit, that is this one. This is pretty cool, and then click on done option. Now you can see here, this is your avatar. It's a new way to be you on Facebook and Messenger. So now it's done. So simply click on next option here, and then here you can see you can use your avatar as comment option also. So simply click on next here, and then you can see here you will find 3 different type of poster avatar that you can upload on your feed. So now you can see here you will find 3 option here: skip, send in WhatsApp, and share to newsfeed. So let me just click on skip, and then here this type of interface will be there, and you have to click on this, and then let me just show you by sharing on feeds. You can make this avatar as your profile picture also. So let me just go for post, and then here I'm done. So guys, let me just go back and let me just show you my avatar. So you can see here this is my avatar, and then to use the comment in avatar, what you have to do, simply tap on the comment section, and then you will find an avatar here. You can see here, so just simply click here, and then you can see here your avatar here. So it is something pretty cool. In this way you can use or create your own avatar on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.